Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to play quarter notes and half notes on the piano. This will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see over here, I have a piano, and essentially I'm going to show you and tell you how to play quarter notes and half notes. Really easy. It's basically one of the most basic things that you can learn. Okay, so we can go in depth and I can explain all of the things that basically go into determining a quarter note and a half note and break down a whole note and measures and stuff like that, but I'm going to keep this so simple. Think about a quarter note as one count. Okay? Think about a half note as two counts. A quarter note is one full count. A half note is two full counts. Just think about it like that. Really easy, okay? So, and it kind of makes sense because if you think about it, a whole note, most of the time, a whole note, the majority of the time is going to be four counts. Okay? Four counts. You cut that in half note, cut the four in half, you get two counts, okay? And then you cut that in quarters, you cut the four in quarters, so a quarter note, you cut the four in quarters is gonna be one, right? You get four, you cut into quarters, you're gonna get one, okay? And one would be your quarter note. Think about it like that. Like I said, it gets a bit more complex than that, but to keep it simple, if you're just new to music, quarter notes are one count, half notes are two counts. So essentially, you're gonna pick a tempo. Just like that. That's your quarter note, and change it now, transition it or change it to a note. That's quarter note. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the same thing, but instead of going 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, because you're counting in fours, remember, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are quarter notes. For half notes, we're going to hold it for two counts at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are your quarter notes and half notes. It's literally that simple. And you can play other notes too, right? So you can do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Those are your quarter notes, right? Half notes. And I'm going to skip over some notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very simple. Those are your half notes. Now I'm going to play some things, quarter notes and half notes, without talking, and I want to see, hopefully you'll be able to pick out which ones are quarter notes, which ones are half notes. And half notes, really easy to learn how to do. One count and two counts respectively. Super easy, and yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed this video tutorial. I tried to keep it short and sweet and straight to the point, and yeah, I got nothing else to say, so we're gonna roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.